Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making something quite easy today. We are making a tuna pasta salad. Really easy to put together, great for parties, great for brunch. It comes together in a jiffy, and I can't wait to show it to you. Now, there are tons of ways that you can prepare this. I have a really simple but yet delicious way, and I hope you guys will like it. So now let's walk over to the ingredients to get started. Alright guys, now let's begin. Right here I have 3-4 ounces of tuna in water that I had drained out the majority of the water. I have here about 10 little fingerlings of carrots. I have 3 plum tomatoes. I have a small little red onion, but you can use as much onion as you like. I don't want it too strong, so I have 2 celery stalks. I have here my pasta, and I have the corkscrew pasta, but you can use any pasta you want. I have my seasonings right here. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, and 1 teaspoon of adobo, but you can use salt if you like, or whatever seasoning mix that you like. Right here I have a half a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and I have my mayonnaise, and that's all you're gonna need to get this started. Right now I'm just gonna put this in some boiling salted water, and I'm going to cook it according to the package instructions. Now let's begin. Alright guys, so I started dicing up my plum tomatoes, and I just want it to be nice bite-sized pieces. So I'm just going to transfer it to this plate so I can have more room to chop up the rest. And I didn't want to put this in the food processor because I like this to be chopped in a certain way. And I feel like if I put it in the food processor, it's just going to not come out exactly the way I like it. So I'm just dice it like this. Cut it. I sliced it up in about 1-inch pieces, and I'm going to show you now. Backs off, and I'm just slicing it like that. Easy as pie. So, whoops, my tomatoes fell off the table. Anyway, so I'm just gonna continue it on, and I'll see you. Alright my friends, I'm going to be using my food processor for this. If you don't have this, you can certainly use your box grater. That will work perfectly. So right now, because my thing is, when I cook with these vegetables in my pasta salad or my potato salad, I don't want to bite into them per se. I want them to be really finely diced, almost like a confetti, if that makes any sense. So that's how I like it, my preference, and I'm going to be doing that right now. So I'm going to let this grind up, and it's going to dice it up really good, really fine, just the way I like it. Do is just a few pulses just to get that texture that you want, which is finely diced. Alright guys, now let's begin. I'm just going to start putting together my veggies and my dressing for the pasta. Now, in my clean bowl, I'm just going to put in all of the tomatoes that we had chopped. Then I'm going to put together with tuna, and you can use any kind of tuna that you want. If you want more, if you want the one in the oil or what have you, you can certainly mix that in as well. I mean, you use what you have and what you like. Alright, so you can use whatever tuna that you like. If you don't want to use the tuna in water, you can use the tuna in the oil brine. That's totally fine too. Then I'm going to put my seasonings. Now this is going to take it to the top. I like my food seasoned, and I like it to taste very flavorful. So you can use whatever seasoning that you like, but this one just does it, just takes it to another level. So I'm using about a quarter of a cup. Now mind you, this is going to also cover the pasta. So, and you can use whatever mayonnaise brand that you like. So I'm just using up the little that I have in here and giving it a good mix. Now I think it's better to mix all your ingredients first before the pasta gets in here, because you just want to make sure that everything is mixed, well combined, and taste for flavoring. And that's really it. And it looks magnificent, and it looks like it's going to coat the pasta really, really, really well. And as you can see, they're pretty ground up. They look like little confetti, and it's just magnificent in here. So alright, I'm going to use all of it. And I'm going to combine. You can use whatever vegetables that you have on hand. These, my friends, are the best combinations right here. I mean, it is going to be a dynamite pasta dish. Then I'm going to be putting in some cheese. Now, if you want, you can leave it out. You can substitute it for boiled egg. That's also tasty in here too. Or you can put a boiled egg as well. I didn't do it, but you can certainly do that. And now I'm going to mix this to combine my pasta out that's been draining and cooled off. Make sure it is cooled off completely. And I'll see you right back. Alrighty, so now my pasta is cooled off completely, and I get to put it right in the mix. So here we have it. With my clean hands, I'm just going to be placing this. More mayonnaise you can certainly do. It's totally according to your taste, my friends. It's whatever it is that you like. So I'm just going to mix this to combined. My friends, let's do a taste test. I can't wait to give this bad boy a try. Perfect. It doesn't need nothing else. It is so delicious. You gotta give this a try. This is perfect for lunch. That was phenomenal. You are definitely gonna love this. This is perfect for lunch. Perfect for your Easter table, and you need to give this a try, guys. So thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Make this. This is simple, easy, divine. So until next time, my friends, I'll see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.